students, once again Makbul Islam is in front of you. Today we have a new question for you. X square minus x cube. X square minus x cube is equal to 36. How we calculate the value of x is unknown. X is unknown here. So there are different methods. We are using synthetic division and factorization method. So first of all, I am employing here the synthetic division methods. So first of all, we arrange the question. We change this side to the right, left side to the right side, and you can also change the right side to the left side. So the methods are same here. So I am changing complete both around here to the right side. So their sign is also changed. Here is beginning 0 is equal to 36. This will be minus x square plus x cube. Now we arrange the term. So we arrange the term x cube minus x square plus 36 is equal to 0. So we gave the name. Let us suppose that that is equal to p of x polynomial, one of the polynomial x cube minus x square plus 36 is equal to 0. So first of all, we check put x is equal to 0, plus minus 1 and plus minus 2 up to so on. So in this process, if we put first 0, so we will get here 0 cube minus 0 square plus 36 is equal to 0. So 36 is not equal to 0. So similarly, we are proceeding when x is equal to 1, then put in this polynomials in the place of x, we put 1 cube minus 1 square plus 36 is equal to 0. So this will be, again we will get here 1 minus 1 plus 36 is equal to 0. So this is not equal to 0. Similarly, if we are proceeding when x is equal to minus 1, then we put the result in the place of minus 1 cube minus 1 square plus 36 is equal to 0. So this is equal to minus 1 minus this will be equal to 36 is equal to 0. So look here, if we add this up, we get 36 minus 2, so we get 34. 34 is again not equal to 0. Similarly, if we continue the process when x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2, then polynomial of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 2 square plus 36. So this will be again, we get here 8 minus 4 plus 36. So look here, if we add this one, 36 plus 40, 44, and 40 is not equal to again 0. Similarly, if we put x is equal to minus 2, so the result is not satisfied. When x is equal to minus 2, then the polynomial is minus 2 is equal to minus 2 whole cube minus 2 square plus 36. So the result is here minus 8 and here is minus 4 plus 12 plus 36 plus 36, that is equal to 0 or not. So we want to check this result. Minus 12 here minus 10 plus 36 is equal to 0. So we get here 24 and 24 is not equal to 0. Similarly, when x is equal to 3, then what has happened? 3 is equal to 3 cube minus 3 square plus 36 is equal to 0. So we get here 27 minus 9 plus 36 is equal to 0. So 27 plus 36 both are positive. We add this one. 7 plus 6 we get 16 and 1 and 3 6 minus 9 69 is equal to 0. No, so this is also not possible. 16 we get here 7 and 57 is equal to 0. When x is equal to minus 3, then polynomial of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 whole cube minus 3 square plus 36 is equal to 0. So we get here minus 27 and minus 9 plus 36 is equal to 0. So look here, minus and minus, we get minus 36 plus 36 is equal to 0. Yes, this condition is satisfied. It means that here x minus plus 3 is a factor. So we will find by using synthetic division method. Here the coefficient is already polynomial is px is equal to x cube minus x square plus 36. That was the express polynomial. So first we write 1, the coefficient of x cube is 1, coefficient of 1 minus x square is minus 1, and x is absent, so we put 0, 36 is constant. Now minus 3 is a factor. If we bring here, the first term must be bring here. So if we are multiply minus 3 and we get minus 4 is multiply again. So we get here plus and plus 12 multiplied by minus 36. Both are separate. We get here remainder is 0. This value is used for constant. This is the variable for x and this is the variable of x square. So now we are another polynomial. We get here x square minus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. So in the first one we get x plus 3 is equal to 0. We get here x minus 3. So one of the root we have already get this one. Now from this root here we are comparing ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Here we are using quadratic formula. First we compare the constant value here. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 12. So x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. So substitute the values here. We get minus 4 already is minus 4 and here is sign is already minus 4 plus minus 4 square minus 4ac into 12 square root divided by 2a. 2a is equal to 1. X is equal to plus 4 and 16 minus 48. 48 divided by 2 is equal to 4 plus minus. We get here minus 32 square root divided by 2 and is equal to 4 plus minus. Minus we can write 32 iota square divided by 2. Now we are 32 we can write in the square root 16 multiplied by 2. X is equal to 4 plus minus 16 multiplied by 2 iota square divided by 2 and 4 plus minus 16 square root is equal to 4, 2 square root is equal to 2 under root and iota square is cancelled with the square root divided by 2. So further we can simplify this result. If x2 is common, 2 plus minus 2 under the root iota divided by 2. 2 are cancelled, so x is equal to 2 plus minus 2 square root iota is the required solution. This is we have used the synthetic division. So now I am using here the factorization method. Factorization method we are applying here factorization method. So look here we have already. Now I am changing in the factorization method. So the term is we changed here 36 we change here, so this will be negative. So x square minus x cube a minus 36 is equal to 0. So we arrange this term. Minus 36 we can write here is square and here is cube. We change this type of system here. So x square minus x cube minus 27 plus 9 we can write is equal to 0. One is used for the cube and the other is used for the square. 7 is equal to 3 cube and 9 is equal to 3 square. So according to this term we have arranged this term and open this from x square minus x cube minus 27 minus 9 is equal to 0. Rearrange the term x square minus 9 minus x cube minus 27 is equal to 0. Here we are using the formula a square minus b square, and here we first arrange taking common minus 27 is equal to 0. So here x minus 3 into x plus 3, and here we are using a cube minus a cube plus b cube formula, so that is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. According to this formula we are open this term, so here a cube plus b cube is equal to 0. X minus 3 into x plus 3 into we have here common minus common, we have taken common minus, and here minus is coming in the middle term, minus x a plus b into a square plus minus ab into b square is equal to 0. So x plus 3 we are taking common from here, x plus 3 is common, and here x minus 3 is remaining minus x square minus 3x plus 9, 3 square is 9 is equal to 0. It means that x plus 3 is equal to 0, or and this term is also x minus 3 minus x square plus 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. Equal to minus 3. We transfer this result to the right side, so their sign is changed, and here we can simplify minus x square first, and x and 3x plus 4x, and minus 3 minus 9 we get minus 12 is equal to 0. X minus x square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Multiplying both sides by minus 1, because we are needing a positive term, so this will be minus 1 into minus x square plus into minus 1 into 4x minus 1 minus 12 into minus 1 is equal to 0 into minus 1. So there will be positive x square minus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. So this type of question factorization is not possible here, so we are making here complete square or completing square method you can also use here. So there are three possibilities. So look here. Now we are comparing ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 12. According to the quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here we substitute the values of a, b, c in the both quadratic formula. Here minus b minus 4 plus minus 4 square minus 4 into c is equal to 12 divided by 2a into 1. Equal to plus 4 plus minus 16 minus 48 divided by 2. So we get here 4 plus minus 32 square root divided by 2 is equal to, so here we can write iota square is equal to minus 1. In the place of minus we put here x is equal to 4 plus minus 32 iota square divided by 2, and x is equal to 4 plus minus 16 multiplied by 2 we can write into iota square divided by 2, and x is equal to 4 plus minus 16 square root is equal to 4. 2 under root is remaining iota square is with cancel with the square root, so divide. Here we are taking common, 2 is common, 2 plus minus 2 under the root 2 iota divided by 2, both are 2 are cancelled, so hence our solution is 2 plus minus 2 under the root 2 iota divided by 1. So this is our solution. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more things.